Hello and welcome to Imad Magic, where we build props from everyday items. Happy Thanksgiving, and with Thanksgiving come Black Friday. And with Black Friday, we go out and shop for things we don't want so we can build magic props, of course. So today I have three props for you from stuff that we buy on clearance. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I have is something called a door spring, right here, door spring. So the first time I saw this with that Ukrainian magician. It's a Ukrainian kid. He was he he had like a prop called spring wand. Now, I know that he built his own props. I don't know if he invented the prop, but I know that he bought this from a hardware store. But I didn't know what it was until I saw it. I saw this item right here. It's called door spring. I think it's a product to hold the door together. And the cool thing about this, it bends. So you have the bendy wand over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the edges over here. Make sure they're smooth. Maybe tape the edges for the wand tips, and maybe paint this black in the middle. So this is a very cool, powerful prop when you do a look no see, when the wand misbehave when you're not looking and the children react, and then when you look back, oh, what's wrong? What's going on, guys? And then you do it again, and when you see it, you react, and you have double the laugh. The spring wand is something definitely I wanted to do, but I didn't know how to get them because you can't really buy them. And so maybe in the end of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and tape it and spray paint it because it's an easy do-it-yourself. So this is for our first prop right here. The second prop is something from Menards. Actually, this is not something on clearance, but it's something always on sale. It's for $2. So basically, it's a dice cup. I always wanted to buy a chop cup that is leatherish. So this is a more, I guess, a fancy looking Yahtzee cup for the dice. It's probably not made from real leather, but it looks like a leather-like. It has a nice stitch. It has a good velvet inside. So I always wanted to do a chop cup with this, and to make a chop cup is really easy. Let me see if I have the material here. All right, here we go, man. So you have a velvet tape. I will put a link where you can get this from Amazon. A very useful thing to have if you want to make a magical props. Anything you add on this will look magical. I have one of these phone sticker. You stick it on the phone so it's magnetic. So you can use the tape on this, and you can put this inside. It doesn't have to match the color. This is red from the inside, and this is black, and it still looks good. It looks a black bottom with the red edges. It looks really cool. And so the way you do this is you add either a flat magnet with glue, you put it down, and you're done. If you don't have flat magnet, maybe you can put like multiple magnets to kind of balance it so it doesn't wobble. Other than that, you just use the chop cup balls from your chop cup set, and you are all set. You have a chop cup or a chop dice. You can use it with the dice as well. As you can see, I believe we did this, man. We built this somewhere, maybe on Udemy or maybe on that magnet project. But yeah, so this is the chop cup leather version. The cool thing about these the chop cup balls, they're red and black, which matches the color from inside. So it's really a nice set that goes with the chop cups. The product is called Dice Cup. Include 5 dice. Professional dice cup from Menards. I think it was $2. Finally, always I keep the best thing for last. So this is the final project. I did modification to this. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is a calendar block. So if you probably do recognize what this is. So I did do additional work. This is not a do-it-yourself. You need to cut wooden panels. You need to add the hinges. I did the rivets. I added the knobs. And really that's it. This is the only do-it-yourself. If you have a wood workshop, you can do it yourself, I guess. But I'll show you this is the storage of the unit. So this is how the unit is when I put it in the case. To set up the trick, I do need to, I'll show you the pros and cons in a moment. But you'll have one of the blocks in a hat somewhere over here. And the cool thing about this trick is you don't need to introduce it. You can introduce you can really introduce it by mentioning the date. You guys know what date is, what day is it, you know? So you can show the dice. I think it's November 0, right? November 0, yeah. What? It's not November 0? You know, if it was November 0, the block will disappear. In fact, I'm going to make the block disappear and I'll make it appear somewhere else in the hat here. I'm going to show you how I do this. So I'm going to go ahead and close these panels. As you can see, the block is still inside. And this will be a method to use the double door method. So this is my solution. So we'll do the sucker routine real quick. The sucker routine is basically the box has disappeared magically with this wavy wand. That's the hard part. The easy part is to bring it back, and to bring it back, you show the dice this way. Okay, I'm gonna do it for real this time. I'm gonna go ahead and make it disappear with the wavy wand again. Yep, it did disappear. Yep, you want me to check? Here. Yep, it's gone actually. What? Oh, you want me checking the hand? Yep, it's in the hat. Here, I'll tell you what, man. I'll prove it to you. I'll put my hand inside to show it disappeared. See? It disappeared. You want me to open it like this? Oh, you want me to open this side? Okay, I'm sorry about that. All right, here we go. I'm gonna open it right now. See? You want me to open this side? Oh, you want me to open? Do you think I'm sliding it one side to one side? Oh, you guys are dirty. All right, I'll do it one last time. Okay, here you go. All right, no, honestly, it is gone. It's inside the hat. So this is the basic sucker routine. The cool thing about this trick is it explains the prop. You know, like you know what. You might recognize what a calendar box is. It's very hard to explain why there is a dice in a wooden box. But this is something people might relate to. And I will make a companion video to this one to show you the building process of how I built this one. You get to see the method behind because it's a different method. It's not a simple shell. It's a little bit more complicated. So you get to see that. And the thing is you get to remember is when I was making this, I was building this at the same time I was thinking on what to do, right? Depending on how the prop is made and the size and dimension, I was kind of like making decisions on the go. So if you see me kind of, thinking and taking it slow, it's because of that. But this is it from Hobby Lobby, guys. And I thank you very much. And go ahead and shoot me any questions.